From October 22 to 25, 2024, the Taiwan Food and Pharmaceutical Machinery Manufacturers Association will lead 6 leading Taiwanese food and pharmaceutical machinery manufacturers to participate in the Singapore International Food and Hotel Equipment Exhibition, showcasing Taiwan's latest technologies and innovations in food processing and pharmaceutical machinery. Taiwanese exhibitors will showcase core products including automated food processing machinery, pharmaceutical machinery, and cutting-edge packaging technology. These products not only significantly improve production efficiency, but also comply with international food and drug safety standards serving the global market. Through the exhibition, Taiwanese food and pharmaceutical machinery manufacturers will showcase the latest technologies, including high-performance automated production systems and intelligent control solutions, helping global food and pharmaceutical companies increase productivity and reduce costs. The Taiwan Food and Pharmaceutical Machinery Manufacturers Association will continue to promote technological innovation and strive to expand international cooperation, looking forward to jointly leading the future development of the food and pharmaceutical industry with global partners.